Brass stem nuts by Sree Mahalakshimi Industries, crafted with precision, built to last. Welcome to the first stage of brass stem nut manufacturing at Sree Mahalakshimi Industries. The process begins with OD turning, where high-quality brass raw material is machined on precision CNC turning machines. During this operation, the outer diameter of the component is accurately shaped according to the specified dimensions. OD turning plays a crucial role in achieving the required size, concentricity, and surface finish, ensuring a strong foundation for the subsequent machining operations. Advanced CNC technology enables precise material removal while maintaining tight tolerances and consistent quality across every component. Throughout the process, machining parameters are carefully monitored to achieve optimal accuracy and efficiency. Once the OD turning operation is completed, the component proceeds to OD thread forming. In this stage, external threads are formed on the outer surface of the brass stem nut with precise pitch, depth, and profile. These threads are essential for ensuring proper fitment, secure engagement, and reliable performance within valve assemblies. To maintain the highest quality standards, critical dimensions and thread specifications are inspected using calibrated measuring instruments. On Step 2. ID turning and internal thread forming. After completing the OD turning and external thread forming operations, the component moves to Step 2, ID turning and internal thread forming. In this stage, the inner diameter is precisely machined to achieve the required dimensions and surface finish. Once the ID turning process is completed, internal threads are accurately formed according to the specified thread profile and tolerance. This operation ensures proper fitment, smooth assembly, and reliable performance of the brass stem nut in valve applications. Welcome to Step 3 of the brass stem nut manufacturing process, external milling. After the completion of OD cutting, OD thread forming, and ID thread forming operations, the component proceeds to the external milling stage. This process plays a vital role in shaping the outer profile of the brass stem nut and preparing it for its intended application in valve assemblies. External milling is carried out using advanced CNC milling machines that provide exceptional accuracy and repeatability. The primary objective of this operation is to create precise external features such as hexagonal profiles, wrench flats, and customized geometries as specified in the engineering drawing. Before machining begins, each component is carefully positioned and securely clamped in the machine fixture. Proper alignment is essential to ensure that all milling operations are performed accurately and consistently. Once the setup is verified, the CNC program is executed, and the cutting tools begin removing material from the outer surface of the component. During the milling process, high-precision cutting tools move along predetermined paths to create the required profile. Every cut is controlled with exact dimensions to achieve the desired shape while maintaining tight manufacturing tolerances. The use of CNC technology ensures consistency from one component to the next, making it ideal for both small and large production volumes. One of the key benefits of external milling is its ability to produce complex shapes with excellent dimensional accuracy. These machined features allow the brass stem nut to be easily installed, tightened, and operated within valve systems. Properly milled surfaces also contribute to improved functionality and ease of maintenance in the field. Throughout the operation, machining parameters such as spindle speed, feed rate, and cutting depth are carefully optimized. This helps achieve a superior surface finish while maximizing productivity and maintaining tool life. Skilled operators continuously monitor the process to ensure stable machining conditions and consistent quality. Quality control is an important part of the external milling stage. After machining, each component is inspected to verify critical dimensions, profile accuracy, flatness, and surface finish. Precision measuring instruments are used to confirm that every brass stem nut meets customer specifications and industry standards. The successful completion of external milling results in a component with accurate external geometry, excellent surface quality, and reliable performance characteristics. Thank you for watching. Stay connected with Sree Mahalakshimi Industries.